I'd like to take a few minutes today to talk about the showing screen. In the month of October, we started using the system. We made some progress. I think we've got a little ways to go, and in the month of November, I think it's fair to expect that every single showing get entered into the system at the latest on the day of the showing. It's best if you schedule those showings when you make the appointment. If it's an emergency, I can understand that you might not get that in exactly on time, but you should be able to get it done that day. I wanted to show you how easy this really is, just in case people are still sort of fumbling around. This is the showing screen, and everyone has access to this screen. And you can see here that we started, our first entry was on the 11th, got off to a little bit of a slow start, and then about right here on the 19th, 20th, we started seeing quite a bit more activity on the screen, and we got the total showings for the month up to about 33. I expect that we'll see quite a few more in November. But to add a showing, it's very simple. Follow my cursor, just go to the Add Showings button. For consistency of data, we're going to use Show House to John Smith. You hit the tab, put the date. We're going to do it tomorrow. Who's doing the showing? Well, that's me. Which house am I going to show? Well, he really likes this house on Sargent, and I told him about this house on Cuban. So we're going to show both of those, and that is all you have to do to schedule a showing. Now, when the showing's complete, right from your phone or from your desktop, you can come back, put the results of the showing. Loved Sargent. Now you've completed the result, and if you want to schedule a reminder or a task associated with this showing, you can schedule something for yourself or schedule something for someone else. But let's say, for example, he wanted a call back about payment. Choose yourself if that's who is responsible for the task, and let's click on next Monday, and now you've created a task for yourself that will pop up on your task list on your phone or on the screen. That is as easy as it is, but to show you how important this is, now we'll go look at the inventory item of Sargent, 410 South Sargent. So now when I go and I click on that inventory button and I see this Sargent in my inventory, then I can scroll down and see associated with this house is a showing to John Smith. So anyone can review this information and see that there's activity on the house. We can discuss it, or we can take an alternative marketing strategy, and it's really that simple, and it's extremely important that you take a few seconds to do this on every house. So let's get together soon and talk about this and make sure that everybody's on the same page, and thanks for your attention today.